So this is just a quick video on how to squat properly to make a difference. These are a few stretches I do before squatting to open up my hips more and stretch my quads and bum. Usually hold my stretches for about 10 to 15 seconds and then I switch sides. This one's called the lizard pose. You can really feel it in your upper leg area. This one's called the outer hip stretch. You can really feel it in your hips and bum. I really recommend doing these, otherwise it could hurt more the next day, and it's also near a joint. This one's called the pigeon stretch. I don't know why. It's for the hips and the upper legs. So I'm going to show you how to effectively squat now. You see a lot of people squatting like this and you might feel it in your legs a bit, but it's not hitting the right muscles to tone your bum. If you want to feel your glutes and your hamstrings activate, you need to go below parallel to really get them working. And make sure your knees don't go over your toes. By doing it slowly, you can also make it more challenging and strengthen the muscles a bit more. I usually do about 3 sets of 25 of these with a weight. If you exercise a lot and this type of squatting is feeling a bit too easy, then a weight or something heavy could come in handy. So hold it with both hands near your chest with some extra weight. If you're a beginner or haven't used many weights yet, start off without it and then work your way up over time, otherwise you might end up hurting yourself. Thanks for watching, and I've got some workout videos coming soon.